Dust on the bench, shavings on the floor, broom in my hand, harder to lay the door. Sweep this shop slow. Hands want chisels, but this dirt says no. Rag on the vise, rags on my pride. Dreams of dovetails stacked up to the side. Sweep this shop slow. Hands want chisels, but this dirt says no.
Well, the chips fly light in the morning shade, hand-cut boards and a pocket knife blade. From a holler where the pines stand tall, they sand each edge, sign every hall. Soldier Farms wood shop, built by hand, little bit of sawdust in every plan. If you like things made the slow, true way, find Soldier Farms wood shop when you shop today on Etsy and Gormage and Friends. That's Soldier Farms wood shop. Come on back again. My boots, mud on my pack, or to say stay put, but I ain't built like that. Got a sack full of hope, tagged for names I ain't met. If I make it through this wire, they'll have one good night yet. I'm sliding in behind enemy lines, jingling past those warning signs. Got a red hat stuffed in my camo pack, cookies in a crate with the ammo stacks. If the sky stays dark and the stars stay kind, I'll be playing Santa behind the lines. Crawling through the brush while the flares float low, candy canes clinking on my old steel toe. Little toy trucks against my Kevlar chest, singing hold on boys, we'll get you some rest. Oh, I'm sliding in behind enemy lines, jingling past those warning signs. Got a red hat stuffed in my camo pack, cookies in a crate with the ammo stacks. If the sky stays dark and the stars stay kind, I'll be playing Santa behind the lines. Cold breath in the air, I mumble up a promise like a midnight prayer. If I dodge that searchlight and those tripwire vines, every kid gets Christmas even out here in the pines. Oh, I'm sliding in behind enemy lines, jingling past those warning signs. Got a red hat stuffed in my camo pack, cookies in a crate with the ammo stacks. If the sky stays dark and the stars stay kind, I'll be playing Santa behind the lines. His hands once carried steel through the smoke and the fire. Now they carve quiet story into old oak and pine. The grain speaks a language, rough edges align. But the nights they still call, with shadows that crawl through the cracks in the wall. These hands, once built to break, now try to mend. A cradle, a chair, a life to defend. These hands are learning to love again. The saw hums low, a soft lullaby, for ghosts he can't bury, for tears he won't cry. The wood doesn't judge, it just lets him try. But the scars, they still sting when the hammer starts to sing, like a war drum echoing. These hands, once built to break, now try to mend. A cradle, a chair, a life to defend. These hands are learning to love again.
The chisel bites the oak so deep, splinters fly but I can't sleep. I carve the wood to calm my mind, but war's a ghost I cannot bind. I shape and sand, I cut and play, but every stroke just feels the same. These carpenters' hands won't forget the fight. They build by day, but they burn at night. The hammer swings, but the echoes stay. A soldier's heart is a price to pay. The fiddle hums a mournful tune. Our whittle shapes beneath the moon. A chair, a box, a soldier's grace, but sawdust can't erase his face. I smooth the edges, make them clean, but shadows haunt where light has been. These carpenters' hands won't forget the fight. They build by day, but they burn at night. The hammer swings, but the echoes stay. A soldier's heart is a price to pay.
gotta make hay while the sun shines, boy, it hay don't stack itself. So you gotta rise and shine, pull on your boots, leave your dreams on the shelf. Up at the crack of dawn, a young farmer John steps out in the morning chill. Today gonna rake that field out back and tighten up that wagon wheel. You gotta make hay while the sun shines, work that road till the day is through. Sweat rolling down in a hard time, summertime, but it all feels lighter when she's there with you. Make hay, make hay while the sun shines. Make hay, make hay while the sun shines. Yep. Johnny had to work so long that day, Lord, that sun was hot. And Mary come walking through the tall sweet corn with her daddy's old coffee pot. She poured that tea in a jelly jar, sugar on the bottom like sand. He took one sip, put her on his knee, forgot all about that land. You gotta make hay while the sun shines, work that road till the day is through. Sweat rolling down in the hard time, summertime, but it all feels lighter when she's there with you. Make hay, make hay while the sun shines. Make hay, make hay while the sun shines. Yeah. Her daddy was mad as a dog rapping tax. When he saw Mary on Johnny's lap, hat flew off, he stomped that dust. Might as well marry if you're sitting like that. John stood up, straw stuck in his hair, said, "Sir, I ain't much, but I'll always care." Mary just laughed, held his calloused hand, said, "We'll make hay and we'll make plans." You gotta make hay while the sun shines, work that road till the day is through. Sweat rolling down in a hard time, summertime, but it all feels lighter when she's there with you. Make hay, make hay while the sun shines. Make hay, make hay while the sun shines. We marched to the yard at dawn, shavings on our boots, smoke on the hill, red coats on the road. Joiner sets a square and rule, measure twice, he grins, then hide. On tight! Boards look plain as any stool, but hollowed out inside. Bodger turns the hoops from ash, chips lie in the air. Cooper shapes the staves to match like they're making empty chairs. Roll out the barrels, roll them down, quiet as a Sunday sound. Raise up the casks where the stream runs brown, under the dragoon's noses in this little rebel town. Roll out the barrels, roll them fast, laugh while the redcoats pass. We build a future in every cast and toast what they'll never track. Drums from the road beat slow, iron hooves and polished brass. We keep our melody soft and low, let the column thunder pass. Smell of spirit in the seams, vapors in the chill. Fife plays some old harmless theme while we tap the heads and still. Roll out the barrels, roll them down, quiet as a Sunday sound. Raise up the casks where the stream runs brown, under the dragoon's noses in this little rebel town. Roll out the barrels, roll them fast, laugh while the redcoats pass. We build the future in every cast and toast what they'll never track. They search the barn, count every plank, tap every wall, check every bank. We stack those barrels 3 carts high, say they're bound for fish and brine. Not a dragoon thinks twice. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Clock hit 6, shop lights hum too light. Got sawdust on my boots and a blade that cuts like spike. Maple walnut stacked up by the wall. I mark my lines in pencil like a preacher drawing calls. I got butcher block blues, heavy grain, heavy truth. Every board I glue together, built to take what you put it through. Yeah, that butcher block blues. From this heart into that wood, if you're cutting, if you're carving, I'll make it thin.
Well, hey you all, as you've been watching, I've been in the shop and working on one of my goals for the 9x9 challenge. That goal was to clean up and reset the shop for next year, and I am mostly there. I have some empty storage containers over here that I need to find a good place for, and to do that I need to just move this box, but it's got 2 displays in it that I need to take and get cleaned up. But I'm going to go ahead and check off my clean, organize, and put away because we're mostly there. The rest of this will just get rolled up in my weekly reset. Let's see. So if you're not doing the 9x9 challenge, I would ask you to reconsider. Set yourself 9 good goals for the first 9 months of 2026 and get at it. Make progress. Do some things that you've been putting off. You'll be glad you did when it's over. It's kind of like cleaning the chicken coop. Nobody wants to do it, and when you're done, you're glad to have cleaned it. Not necessarily while you're doing it. But they're good goals. They set you ahead. So, God bless you all, and have a great 2026.
Hand-carved hearts, strung as stone, from a small barn shop we call home. Soldier Farms, you feel the